Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Destiny, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to see more videos from myself. Alrighty guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you my 1 month update and my retie of my Microlocs. So before we get started, just a little what's the word I'm looking for? Just a little information about my Microlocs prior to today's video. So I started my locks on April 18th, 2020 and finished around April 23rd, April 24th, 2020. And my actual retie was done, my first retie was done on May 26th, and my second wash actually was done May 26th as well. And yeah, my cousin actually did my retie for me. She did an amazing job. I'm gonna see if I can insert a picture. I didn't take much pictures or videos, but she did an amazing job. She does Microlocs, sister locks, all the locks you can think of. And yeah, so she hooked me up, and which I'm super grateful for. So I think I'm going to go to her a few more times just to get my roots locked properly, and then I'm going to try to attempt to learn how to do it myself just for maintenance purposes and not having to, like, you know, drive back and forth. I tried locking it on my own, and when I tell you, it was like the hottest mess ever. So I'm like, absolutely not. I need to definitely get her to do it first and then gradually work my way up to locking it myself, because my hair, I'm not even gonna get into it. It was just a hot mess. So that's that. So an update on my locks. So these are what my locks are looking like right now. I absolutely love them. I'm in love with my hair. And not to say that I wasn't before, but like, I'm just loving it. I'm so happy with the decision, and I can't wait for them to be fully locked. I know it's gonna take a while because my hair is a softer texture, so it definitely will take a while for it to lock. So I kind of mentally prepared for it to lock longer than I've seen other YouTubers say they got theirs locked. And I really have no cons. Like, other than the frizziness, I hate frizzy hair with a passion, and my hair frizzes like crazy. But that's a given. I talked to my cousin, she said there's really nothing you can do, like that's just the process. So I'm like, you know what? If that's the process, I'm gonna like stick it out and just embrace it. So like, that's literally the only con. The other con that I can think of is that I did have slippage. My ends mostly, because in general my hair texture is just all over the place. It's weird. And I have straight ends per se. Like, my hair is wavy but dry straight. It's just so weird. So my ends are straighter than I want them to be, and I did experience slippage or unravel, and some of them being unraveled. So, which is obviously a given. As I said, my hair texture is a little bit on the softer side, and my ends are more straight. But other than that, like, I literally have no cons. I'm in love with my hair. I love it, and I can't express that enough. I'm loving the flexibility of it. Literally, I can go to bed, I wear a silk cap to tie my hair or a silk scarf, and even on the days I don't, I wake up, my hair looks like crazy. Not like that, but my hair looks crazy. And all I have to do is take my handy dandy spray bottle, spritz, and my hair drops down to the way I like it, and it just goes. So I literally just get up and go. I love how I'm able to just literally get up and go and just be out and not have to like fuss with my hair. Before, when my hair was loose, I would have to brush it, I'd have to detangle it, I'd have to like struggle to slick it in a ponytail, and like my forehead is already big. My hairline's a little bit receded. And the struggle to like slick my hair up in a bun was like a serious struggle because my hair is thick. So I don't have to worry about that. I can just like spritz and just be out. So I'm super happy about that. And also it kind of goes with the flexibility. I just love how I don't have to like do much with my hair. I literally just use my spray bottle, some oils, and that's it. I haven't added any product to my hair, like thick products. I haven't added lotions, no conditioners, no nothing. So I'm loving how I don't have a lot of product buildup. I've seen a few people complain about like lint buildup, and I've never experienced that in my hair, thankfully, and hopefully I don't, because that would drive me literally insane. So cross fingers, I don't have to ever deal with that. But yeah, like I'm just loving my hair. I'm just great decision. And yeah, so that's pretty much my update so far. I think I'm gonna do an update every 2 months because I feel like every month is a little bit hectic. So my next update would be my 3rd month vlog, I believe, because I'm pretty much close to my 2nd month being locked. So yeah, my 3rd month. And you know what, I'm gonna actually maybe do comparison pictures just to show you guys in terms of like length, if there's any growth, if the thickness has if there's any thickness. And yeah, that's literally it. Let me know what you want to see in terms of videos. I think my next video will be how many locks I have, because I did get someone asking me that, and I did tell them I will do a video for that. So I think that might be my next one. I'm kind of like because to count them, I know it's a lot, but I am curious, you know, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, if you want to see anything specific, let me know. I will do it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, lovelies. Mwah.